Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is State of the Global Climate 2023 report. Recently, the State of the Global Climate 2023 report was published by the World Meteorological Organization. The publication provides a summary on the state of the climate indicators in 2023 with sections on key climate indicators, extreme events, and impacts. The indicators include global temperatures, greenhouse gas concentration, ocean heat content, sea level rise, ocean acidification, Arctic and Antarctic sea ice, Greenland ice sheet and glaciers, and snow cover, precipitation, and stratospheric ozone. Let's discuss its key messages. Greenhouse gases. Concentrations of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide hit record levels in 2022 and continue to rise in 2023. CO2 levels are 50% higher than pre-industrial levels, leading to increased heat trapping in the atmosphere and subsequent temperature rise. The long lifespan of CO2 means temperatures will continue to increase for many years. Temperature. 2023 saw the highest global mean near-surface temperature in recorded history. This increase surpassed previous records set in 2016 and 2020. The global temperature rise is primarily attributed to rising greenhouse gas concentrations, and was further accelerated by a shift from La Nina and El Nino conditions in 2023. Ocean heat and acidification. Ocean heat content reached a peak in 2023 with a particularly strong increase observed over the past 2 decades. More frequent and intense marine heat waves are adversely affecting marine ecosystems and coral reefs. Ocean acidification has increased due to the absorption of CO2, further impacting marine environments. Sea level rise. Global mean sea level reached a record high in 2023 driven by ocean warming and glacier or ice sheet melting. The rate of sea level rise in the past decade has doubled compared to the previous decade. Extreme weather and climate events. Extreme weather events including floods, tropical cyclones, heat waves, and droughts had widespread socioeconomic impacts across continents. Notable events include Tropical Cyclone Freddy, Hurricane Otis, and devastating wildfires in Canada and Hawaii. Socioeconomic impacts. Weather and climate hazards have worsened food security, displacement, and vulnerability, particularly among already marginalized populations. Effective early warning systems and disaster risk reduction strategies are crucial for mitigating impacts. Global food insecurity has doubled since before the COVID-19 pandemic, exacerbated by climate extremes and other factors. Renewable energy. Renewable energy generation has surged globally, demonstrating potential for decarbonization and climate action. Investments in renewable energy have increased significantly, with a goal to triple capacity by 2030. Climate financing. Climate-related finance has nearly doubled in recent years, but remains insufficient to meet targets for mitigation and adaptation. There is a significant financing gap, particularly for adaptation efforts in developing countries. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. Which greenhouse gas concentration reached record levels in 2023? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.